and the race is on. Jenny Scott from the outside, rushing up Akire Onileba, supercharged. Yes, Beauty on the further outside is Wen, and here comes Aras, moving up by the 7th position, going west, and on the outside is Good Boss. Back to the front runner, Akire Onileba by about 2 lengths, followed by supercharged by the Jenny Scott. Wen is racing in fourth, and rounding the far turn, Akire Onileba, supercharged, moves up to take the lead. Now the course of the wind has been altered with a favorite supercharged, this time by half a length, and on the outside is Akire Onileba as they race the final corner, supercharged by about 3 lengths. Yes, Beauty is racing in second. A Star of Jonah running by the on the outside is Aras. Last 150, supercharged Star of Jonah by the rail. Supercharged Star of Jonah, and finally supercharged Star of Jonah. Yes, Beauty. Aras going west. Pentafecta.